Well, checking out Craigslist offers, 2 News problem solver Michelle Lowry tells us how to separate real deals from big trouble.
Erica and her boyfriend spotted a great rental house at a great price on Craigslist and started emailing with the supposed owner, who said he couldn't show the house because he's out of the country doing God's work. Before sending any money, she checked in with me. I found the house isn't even owned by the man she was talking to, and I suggested she take a drive by the house. Sure enough, there was someone inside and no for rent sign was posted. She says the guy contacted me wondering why I hadn't sent money to get the key. I let him know we'd been by to see the house and there was someone there. Odd, because no one in America was supposed to have keys. Never heard back. Run, don't walk from any deal where you have to pay to get a key or see a property. You can call the county assessor's office to find out who really owns any property. If the names don't match, it's a big red flag. Also, Google the address. Many times you'll find a property listed on several sites, and often the real owner doesn't even know their home is being used to part people from their money. Report anything suspicious on the site where you spot the house listing. Michelle Lowry, 2 News works for you.
Michelle.